If you're looking for a way to eliminate daily floor maintenance chores, this Shark Stratos 2-in-1 robot vacuum mop provides up to 30 days of hands-free cleaning with automatic debris emptying, water refilling, mop washing and drying. It features a ultra powerful suction, sonic mopping that scrubs up to 100 times per minute, precision LiDAR mapping for methodical cleaning, the Autolift technology that raises the mop when transitioning from hard floors to carpets, self-cleaning brush roll picks up pet hair without wrapping, while HEPA filtration captures allergens throughout your home.